Who is Zacharias Jansen? Zacharias Jansen was a Dutch spectacle maker from the Middelburg associated with the invention of the first optical telescope. Jansen is also credited for inventing the first truly compound microscope. Zacharias Jansen is generally believed to be the first investigator to invent the compound microscope. What did Jansen do that was so important? During the scientific revolution, Jansen invented a microscope, and this instrument helped others study the natural world. This led to new discoveries. Jansen's invention was a huge advancement in technology at that time. Who was the first person to use the microscope as a scientific instrument? Although Jansen was the one who invented the microscope, Leeuwenhoek was the first person to use the microscope as a scientific instrument. Leeuwenhoek used the microscope to observe a drop of pond water. Anton Philips van Leeuwenhoek was a Dutch tradesman and a scientist. He is commonly known as the father of microbiology and considered to be the first microbiologist. Microscope and how it works. Microscopes are effectively just tube packed with lenses and curved pieces of glass that bend light rays passing through them. The simplest microscope of all is a magnified glass made from a single convex lens, which typically magnifies about 5 to 10 times. Microscopes used in homes, schools, and professional laboratories are all actually compound microscopes and use less two lenses to produce magnified image. There's a lens above the object called the objective lens and other lens near your eye called the eyepiece or ocular lens. Each of these may in fact be made of a series of different lenses.